The universe as we know it will dissipate into a fine mist of cold nothingness.
Well, that's depressing. Hello and welcome to a new episode of Fixing Website. So as you can see, I've already found some website we can actually edit, so hopefully that's good. Tozfu, what's this? Okay, we can still even fix it. Okay, let's start. What should we do? Okay, Google. Okay, wait, fucking Google, Jesus Christ. Like, that's rude. Okay, so here I have Gabe the dog search on Google. So I think like, well, this logo is like decent, I guess, but let's change it to something else. Okay, we fixed the website real good. Copyright! Yay! But actually, let's just check how the new video is doing. I haven't like checked in like a while. 6 views, that's decent. Okay, real. Any comments? Okay, now this is it.
Are you sure about that?
What's this? What's this?
What's this? What's this? There's color everywhere.
Well, that was cringe. Oh god. Fucking Christ. Oh. Let's see, what else website should we fix? Get human, what's that? Okay, so this is like a customer service thing. Okay. If you can't see it, like I can pop it on screen now. Wow, amazing how that editing. Wow, it's really good. Okay, we're back. Okay, I fixed that pretty good. Your customer service is fixed lower than other websites. Yeah, we don't actually have humans at all. It's all robot. Okay, let's find another picture. I think that's quite nice. Yeah. Oh wait, the text is white. Okay, let's actually fix that. Okay, I actually fixed the text now, so it looks more. Yeah. Okay, guys, for this website, I'm gonna hack into my mainframe and do some stuff. Okay, this is intense typing. Okay, I'm hacking into the mainframe now, okay? It's like intense hacking. Boom! Okay, I hacked the website, okay? Hacked by the rare blue Fanta. So yeah, I think I need to end this episode here before the police comes. Okay, goodbye.
Make a wildfire get away.